Determine a unit vector that is parallel to the vector I cap plus square root of 3 times j cap. Okay, let's try to understand the problem first. So what we have here is a vector A. Now, we need to find out a unit vector which is going to be parallel to this particular vector. So let's say that unit vector is defined by B cap. Now, what we'll do, we will first take the vector A and then we will find its magnitude. Once we get its magnitude, we're going to divide that same vector A with its magnitude. And this is going to give us the unit vector A cap. So here A cap is going to be the direction of the vector A. Now, A cap is going to be parallel to B cap. But since A cap and B cap both have the same magnitude, because the magnitude of a unit vector by definition is 1, that means B cap is actually going to be A cap only. Okay, so let us begin with our problem. Here we will suppose that let A vector be represented by I cap plus square root of 3 times j cap, such that the magnitude of vector A is given by, we'll take the square root. Underneath the square root, we take the component of I cap. So it's 1 in our case. We're going to square that value. Add it to square of the component of j cap, so that's square root of 3. We're going to square this value as well. And this is going to give us 2. So the magnitude of vector A is going to be 2 units. Now, we'll be defining the unit vector A cap, which is going to be the vector along A vector. So take the vector A and divide it by its magnitude. So that's going to be I cap half I cap plus square root of 3 over 2 j cap. So this is going to be the unit vector A cap, but we need to find out a vector that is unit vector that is parallel to I cap plus square root of 3 j cap, and that's nothing but A cap only. Thus, the unit vector which is in the direction of the original vector I cap plus square root of 3 j cap is going to be given by 1 over 2 I cap plus square root of 3 over 2 j cap.